Alright, today we are going to be attaching this Woods 3-point backhoe to my Ford 1710 tractor. It was not easy to take off, but it's got to go back on. So let's get to it. Well, unfortunately, I need to get a new part. When I put this to rest, you can see that's a PTO. That's the little pump for the hydraulics attached to the PTO. I accidentally rested the machine on the hose, and it crimped it up and cut it. So I gotta go get another hose. Not a huge deal, but gotta get a new hose and some hydraulic oil probably. Never stops. So I gotta connect this bracket to the pump so when it spins, it doesn't just spin the pump freely and rip the hoses out. But it's all bent up and has to go around here or the bottom. So for now, I'm just gonna... Harley! Cut out! So for now, I'm just gonna temporarily attach it so I can get the backhoe mostly mounted, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I didn't record it, but I thought I got that bracket on. You can see it in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. An orange bracket on the hydraulic pump. So I didn't film it because it was a pain in the ass, but I got it. So now we're gonna try to get that top pin in. Alright, well, I'm not sure when the video stopped recording, my batteries died, but got it all back together. Got everything attached, all the bolts tightened. It's the bracket, got it all in there. It's looking good. So now we just gotta take it for a little test, make sure everything works the way it's supposed to. Alright, so as you can see, it works pretty good. Wasn't really trying too hard, a little rusty, but dug a little hole. Used all the controls every which way, everything was good. It's very jerky though. I don't know if that's the pump or what. It's always been jerky since I've been using it. Not smooth at all, but it is a really old 3-point backhoe, so it does the job. Right, buddy? So the next project with that is going to be digging for a drainage pipe to extend the drainage pipe. So you'll see that coming up. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy.